So I got these perfect 8 LED lights I'm gonna be installing today. I'm gonna try to install them in my car. I have no idea how to do it, so I'm gonna do some research. Should be an easy job, so let's get to it. I really enjoy looking at this every time I pop my hood up. I love it. All right, so not sure which one it is, but I got one here and one over here. So I'm gonna assume that it's gonna be this one here. Not this one. This one looks like it's for the bigger one. So I'm gonna assume it's this one. I have to turn on the car and literally find out. Should be an easy job. I mean, this side's gonna be a little tough because my battery's in the way, and my friend Wayne did say I have to remove the battery in order to actually access this part. But I'm gonna open up my headlights, open up the car, turn it on, and I'm gonna check it out. And hopefully it's not a hard job. Alright, so I just turned on the car, and after confirming my hunch, it's actually this big one right here and that big one right there. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna get to this guy right here. That's my only problem. I'm gonna figure it out though. I'm gonna try and see what I can do. Yeah. Alright, so thank God I did come with an instruction manual. I'm gonna try and follow the process as best I can. Worst case scenario, I do have an appointment next week on Thursday at La Chute Performance. I fucked up on something that I rather have a professional do it. And don't get me wrong, I would love for Trevor to do it for me, because he's literally the Subi god. But La Chute Performance can take me right away. So next week, Thursday, is the best time they can take me in. So yeah, but it's gonna be a nice drive up north, and yeah. Alright, to give you guys a better perspective, I'm trying to just like look at the stuff, look at the layout, see exactly how to position it, and trying to figure out, because I want to show you guys this. You got literally two pieces over here, these little things you got to connect to actually make the light bulb work. And as far as the instructions told me, you just remove this whole piece right here. But it looks like I have to literally take it out with screws, which is going to be a kind of a difficult situation. And just put this whole thing inside, and somehow just connect the two wires. I'm not entirely sure, so I'm going to just look and figure it out. Whew. Alright, what seemed like it was forever, I got the bulb out. I'm happy. This is what my standard bolt is right here. I don't want to hurt, you know. So somehow I gotta take off this bulb. You got those two little negatives inside there. I think I'm gonna assume that is. Put all that, two wires, like in here, and reattach it, and I should be good to go. So at the end of the day, if I fuck anything up, if something doesn't work or something breaks or something, I'm not that worried. I mean, I could always go tomorrow morning and just have my mechanic just put both headlights in, and ba-boom. So it's not really that much of a big deal for me. All right, so everything is out there. So now, this old bulb is done. It's garbage. We'll set it to the side. We don't need it. So now we gotta just figure out exactly negative through positive. So the way I see it is basically the black wire will be negative and the red wire will be positive. How did I come up with that? Well, I looked at my battery and you know, negative, positive. I'm gonna assume that's the same way. So we're gonna go ahead and install this, and let's just see how it works. Honestly, if it's just this simple, then yeah. Alright, so now what I gotta do basically is this bronze piece of metal right here has to come out. I have to play tug of war with it a little bit, because that guy is a little stuck in there. So my black wire right here is gonna go in there. So for the second part, I'm probably just gonna remove the battery, which is easy because I've done it before. Basically just, you know, loosening these bolts up, take them out, get the stuff out, and you're good to go. Don't have to worry about the car not starting. Car will start. Or you could remove the headlight, but I don't know how to remove the headlight. But most of you guys probably know how to do it. but I'll take it the more simple way. Remove the damn battery, get my clearance, and yeah. So we're gonna play some tug of war now. All right, so I didn't want to end the vlog just like that. So I'm at my boy Wayne's place. Basically, what he's showing me right now is how to remove the headlight from the car itself, because I've never done it before. So you got to remove these two clips, and also there is a bolt right inside there. You got to remove it. And the way I saw him do it is basically just take the headlight out, and that would have been a lot easier for me to work on the car. Since I was a little struggling yesterday due to lack of room. So yeah, learning something new. So we got the LED lights to work on the headlight. The wiring is kind of different though. The Chinese clearly fucked it up. The negative was in a positive, the positive was in a negative. So that's why it took like over an hour for us to even like figure it out. But I learned kind of how to remove a headlight though, which I'm actually really proud of. Basically, I know you guys know this, but I'll explain it anyways, so I could actually remember this myself. You got 2 screws you gotta undo here, 2 clips, and a bolt on the inside there you gotta undo, and that's basically just rip that bitch out. So these are the finalization of the headlights. They look really nice. Like, holy shit, I love this. Alright, so my headlights are freaking amazing, guys. I really like them. Huge thanks to my boy Wayne again for installing them for me and showing me how to remove the headlight. This is bright as hell. I love it. I can't wait to actually get my high beams in the mail, because this is going to be even brighter. Now, what's really cool about these headlights, Wayne did mention that they take a little bit less power than the stock ones, which is actually kind of cool. I'm curious to know how the fans work, because on the bulb there's like a fan on each one of them. I'm just curious on how they work. So yeah, I definitely learned something new today, how to remove a headlight. I know most of you guys are like, dude, that's easy, any guy would know that, but you know, I'm just learning the basic stuff for now, then I'll learn the progressive stuff, the crazy stuff eventually. But until then, thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I do have a next one coming up, I think next week, Thursday. I'm going to shoot performance. We're going to just do some stuff, talk about some stuff, and with my car, they'll take the car in the garage, and I'm gonna do some filming there. So can't wait to show you guys what I'm gonna be doing, and I'll see you guys then. Thank you very much for watching, and be safe, guys. Peace.